It is Wednesday, October 21st, and today in math, the students and I worked on subtraction stories again. This time it's a story where we're missing part of the problem. We have a total, we have one part of the problem, but we're missing what happened to the other part of the story. So for their homework, they've got two sides. This is their first side. This next page here is their second side. There are 6 problems that they have to do, and in each problem they have 4 parts. They have to draw pictures of the story, they have to do a number bond of the story, they have to write a problem, and then they have to write a statement about that story. Let me erase what I just did. All right, so for the first one, if Tom has 7 crowns and 5 crowns are red, how many crowns are not red? So what I would like them to do is draw their total, which is 7. So they can draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's their picture. If 5 are red, we know about those red crowns, so we're going to take those away. We already know about those crowns. We don't need to know about them anymore. So they're going to draw a line through 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many are left? Is a 2. So they're going to fill out their number bond. The top part of the number bond is always the whole number, the largest number, which in this story was 7. And then the 2 parts of that story were 5. And then we found the other part right here, which was 2. Then they're going to write a math fact. They know that a subtraction problem has to start with the larger number, which was a 7 in this family. Takeaway, look back at our story. How many did we take away? 5. And then how many were we left with? 2. So their statement should read, 2 crowns are not red. They're going to do that with all of those stories and then flip it on the other side. There are 3 more stories. Now down here at the bottom story, the same thing. They don't tell you the whole number, but they do tell you about fingers. And how many fingers do we all have? Obviously, we have 10. So that would be their number. They're trying to get the students to kind of think about Liz and her fingers. Instead of giving them the whole number right away, they want the students to know that Liz has 10 fingers. So they could draw dots or lines, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 of the fingers have band-aids. So we're going to cross out those 2. How many fingers are not hurt? So they would count their lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so their big number, how many fingers she had all together were 10. 2 of them were hurt. That means 8 of them were not hurt. So 10 take away 2 would be 8. Now down here they want you to write a statement. So they don't give the students a statement like they do in the other problems, like here. They want the students to write their own statement. So maybe you can say, there are 8 fingers, I can't squeeze it in, that are not hurt. You guys get the picture. All right. If you have any questions, call or email me, and have a good night.